What's up? What's up? You already know. This is Peach and her kids. And Daddy. So we're currently at the mall. We haven't shopped yet. We had stopped by, how you say this, Culver's?
No.
Culver's, however you say it. It's our first time eating it. Their food was really, really good. Baby, I need to tie your shoe. You need off the table, boo. You like the food, Matt?
Not French fries.
You didn't like the French fries?
I like food.
You like the burger? So they have like the little treacle fries. Oh, okay. So we came to get Daddy is coming to buy him some shoes. Some more shoes. Cause you already bought you some shoes for your birthday. They didn't come? Or you wanted another pair? So why you buying more shoes? What you came out here to buy? Yeah, I'll take you to the restroom. Let me take Choice to the restroom. But Daddy came to buy him something, child. I don't know what he came to get. Gorgeous and Gorgeous and Choice been eating fries with ice cream. Let me take food to the bathroom. But I said I'm also probably gonna get the kids a new pair of shoes because they all need a new pair of shoes. My kids are so rough on shoes. They like their mama. They don't value their stuff, okay? And I can't be mad because they learned that from me. So they come this way. Choicey, this way. I told Daddy I'm about to stop at Charlie's. If I would have only had Charlie's, I would have ate that. But I love this strawberry lemonade, so I'm probably gonna buy me a strawberry lemonade. McINTYRE, wait for me.
Lemon, mommy, a lemon.
A lemon, yes. Hi. Come on, y'all. Come on, Tracy. Come on, buddy. Come on. We're gonna come right here, guys. They got a family restroom. Come on, boo.
No kid.
It's a family. See, you got a daddy, a daughter, and a mommy. Oh, somebody's in there. We gotta wait. Patch. The Florida State Fair is in town, and we're gonna take the kids now. Different types of prizes. You want to get some change out my purse? Oh, I didn't have my wallet. I forgot. We're gonna ask Daddy if he got change. But the Florida State Fair is in town in Tampa. We have the Florida State Fairgrounds. The fair comes every year annually, normally in late January, February. A drink. I'll buy you a drink.
Lemon.
Want lemonade? You want strawberry lemonade? Choice is just being Mr. Explorer. This is like sushi bowl. It's like a seafood bowl. You don't eat that. Come on. But we were all gonna get the kids like similar things to wear. It's like they left us. Oh no, they over there in the massage chair. Say, Daddy left us and left my bag. Daddy want the little foot massage. That's what I should have bought you for your birthday. The little foot massager that you put your feet in. I don't know if y'all ever seen that on Facebook. You seen it? Daddy be looking at that all the time. It's like $400. He be like, oh, I want one of these. I should buy me one of these. I should have bought him that instead of some cologne. I'll get that next time, babe. Trust me, you husband.
Well, look at my toes.
You want your toes done, son? Hey, you two. It feel good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I gotta take Gorgeous to the restroom now. Look at Lily. Hey, Lily. All right, Peach Patch. We are now in Polo. This little girl trying to shop. You know how Gorgeous is. I'm trying to see if Daddy sees something he likes. Because I had wanted to buy him a Polo outfit anyways. My oldest acting like he wants something out of here. What you said, Gorgeous? You finna get something for Daddy? Well, why you ain't buy me nothing for my birthday? You finna get something for your daddy, but my birthday you didn't get me anything. What you see that you want to get your daddy?
I got this for Daddy. What is this?
He already got that shirt. Let me see.
This one right here.
So McKay said he want a polo collared shirt.
I want this one.
It is $95 for a shirt. I think I'm looking Marshalls. Believe it or not, we used to always shop in Polo back in the day before I had all these kids. Oh, these pajama pants so cute. They're $44. Okay, clip these back on for me.
My daddy did this.
What?
Clip those back on.
Yeah, you dropped this dog, but they think towards you.
Yeah, Matt, put your money up. Let me hold your money. Hey, get this. What you done picked up, Matt?
Mama, Dad got branded.
You buying that, babe? He said he don't want that jacket. You don't see nothing in here you like? We went in Tommy, but I wasn't able to vlog because Choice had me holding Lily. Tommy actually got better stuff, I think, right now. Yeah, Tommy is where it's at, babe. You might need to go on back in Tommy. Put that back, gorgeous. Where McINTYRE went? Yep, a bear shirt. Choice love getting bear shirts. That's not your size, boo. Let me look at the I agree. Daddy was saying like Polo only has like 4th of July colors, and I agree. They don't have like any spring colors in big people sizes. Like they got a couple pinks and yellows, but they don't seem like many. Like these little tie-dye shorts, I get them from Walmart. Let me see how much they cost. Hold on, 35. This ain't kids. Huh? She ready to shop. What you trying to buy, pretty girl? Look at her. Ready to shop.
You get that.
I mean, it's not ugly, but it ain't what I would wear. It ain't got enough customizations. What is it?
Guess how much?
I'll say 150.
Yeah, 160.
160. Let me see, girl. She's trying to get a jacket. I don't think you need no jacket, pretty girl.
I want a new one.
You want a new jacket, but you don't need one. She got barbecue sauce on her shirt when she was just Let's look in Children's Place. Take it off. We're gonna look in Children's Place. See what Children's Place got. Yeah, because I don't absolutely love this jacket. And let me see how much the jacket costs. Gorgeous love to shop, y'all. She just need a shopping channel because sister know how to do it. And I like these colors. The summer stuff. So this is $55 Peach Patch. All right, Peach Patch, I'm gonna put this jacket back because we're not gonna get Gorgeous this. But the sales associate, what are you for it? I don't see the hanger. The sales associate told Daddy that they'll have new stuff next week, like more of the spring, summer, more of the summer stuff next week. So Daddy might just wait. But Tommy is like, Tommy is where it's at, Peach Patch. I'm gonna try to take y'all back over there. I think Daddy might end up getting an outfit out of there. I don't know. Now Peach Patch, they do have these little polo tees that kind of look a little Easter Sunday-ish, a little summerish, but they not like, ooh, nothing to write home to mama about. You know what I'm saying? Okay, come on. These two just keep playing. Stop it. Stop it. Go. Go, you know better than that. All right, Peach Patch, now we're about to walk into Nike. So I'm gonna let Daddy go look at what he looking at, but I'm gonna look at the kids' shoes, see if they got any good sales on any shoes that I actually like. Come this way, pretty girl. Gorgeous, leave that alone. Leave it. I don't know what it's called. It's to help with the lines. Come on. Okay. What you need money for? What you finna buy? What you finna buy? I just gave you $6. What else you trying to get money for? How much this stuff cost you trying to buy? You trying to buy shoes? What shoes you picked out? Baby, you picked out some shoes. These cute for 30. Ooh, I think Joyce used to have these. Joyce had something similar. You got Gorgeous pair? They got them in Gorgeous size. Get Gorgeous those too. They don't got her size. It's these guys. They're $34.99. Them really cute.
Those are amazing.
They get amazing the blue pair too. Right here. You don't like these? Cause he need more shoes. Come on them. Is that your size, baby?
I gave him an 8.
Let me see. Come this way. I gotta sit down. Pardon me. That's not your size, buddy. That's the size. Oh, you might can. Bacon Mac fit a 13. Oh, okay, and that's $34.99. You can get those if that's what you like.
And I got
You need something else? What else you need? Gorgeous is looking for her some shoes, child. These are Nike shorts got on right now. He just like dogged them out. This little piece right here came off.
That's
So now his can't. Yep, you got those too. You don't got them on the day though. They're $29.97 still on sale. We bought those in Orlando.
Right here.
Choice want a new pair of shoes, so I'm trying to find him something. Choice is in a. Babe, what we buy him, a 4 or 4.5?
What is this shoe?
A 4.5. So like this size. Ooh, they high in his size. These $80. Look, McKay. I mean, Choicey.
What is this shoe?
You like these, baby?
Yeah,
Choice is real particular. Yeah, those are cute. You like these?
who done?
They're Nikes. You like them? Those are really cute. You like them or no? Guess that's a no. He's still looking. Let me see what you found.
You're in the hall.
Let me see what you found. Really? How much they cost?
60.
Oh, okay. I like them. It's the price for me.
It was on sale. They supposed to be one.
Good job, son. Choice, what shoes you trying to try on? Trying to see if I see anything. I love these though, and she like these. These 80. What you think, babe?
Oh, they're comfortable.
They're comfortable. Your feet stink. Ooh, damn. I say get them a 5. So daddy said 2 to need a 5. Can you get a hoodie too? Oh my goodness, who am I shopping with? That boy done picked up him some shoes and some socks. Now he's talking about getting a hoodie. So a 5. Oops. I don't like none of these. Now these cute. This is a 5.5 though. These are too cute. I don't think Troy's like shoes like that though, cause my sister bought him a pair of new shoes that look like this and he ain't never wear them. They still in the garage, brand new. Them like what you got, right? What size this is? A 7. Some cleats. You don't even play no sport. Silly behind.
Oh, he's actually like, he should buy choice.
I'm not a bro. Trying to sit down. Yes. Yes, you can try them. Gorgeous. Let me see the shoes you picked. She picked these too. Oh, you done picked the bunch. Gorgeous. How many shoes did you pick?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So Peach Patch. Gorgeous also picked out these. I think these are so cute. You like these? They got like the little rainbow flag, rainbow on them. Which I like how colorful it is. I know like some people like rainbow means LGBTQ, how you say it. But when I was little, rainbow just was like a cool thing. Like it was just a rainbow. And I love the little sparkling details inside of the Nike check. These things tight. Oh, they don't got them in gorgeous size? Yeah, this is a 1. That sucks. So they don't got your size in those, daddy say. This a 13. She wear what, a 10, babe? Your shoes? Them the shoes you pick? Try to look at all these shoes these kids picking up. My kids know I got money. Boy. Huh? Oh, that's nice. A nice little tennis set. You want these socks? These $10. Okay, I'll buy them. Put them over there. A size 4. That's too big. You wear a size 13. Number 1, number 3. You gonna wear this?
Yeah.
So I think Young and Ace got these kids want to wear hats like this. Mama, no, what are you saying? I miss you. So my oldest son wants a Nike hat.
No, that's not true.
So that's not why you want the Nike hat.
No,
why you want it?
Cause it's cool.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'll buy it. It's only $12.99. So I'll get it for him.
I'm not holding the shoes.
Oh Lordy.
Put that sock.
Wait, gorgeous. McKay, go get us the big bag from the front. The Nike bag. Is that his size?
5 or 4.5.
Okay.
Yeah, probably about 5.
That's a 5?
Stop.
That y'all know I'm cheap. Comment down below if y'all like these for $34.97. Would y'all buy these? I gotta go. My kids just touching stuff. Stop. I'm cute. This is what my son picked for $60. Alright, come on guys, let's pay for these shoes. Peach Patch, at this point, I don't even know what these kids bought. I know we got baby 2 pair of shoes, Mac 1 pair. I might get these, they're $80.
$12.
Yeah, they're $80. You think I should buy them for Troy? Troy's kind of rough on shoes. I really like, I really like the way these look, y'all. But I'm like, $80, no babe? Daddy say no, we're gonna take these off. Comment down below Peach Patch if you would have bought them for $80.
They carry
They're cute though. I really like them.
I like the yellow one and the blue ones he had, you know?
Right now in total it's $329 if you keep those. But I don't really want to pay $80 for two.
What's 59?
A pair of shoes, Gregory shoes.
What?
Your shoes $59.
Yeah.
My camera don't want to focus.
I told you they're cheap.
So y'all can see. So our total ended up being $243.58 each pack.
How much the glasses were?
I'm gonna let Daddy pay for it.
Hit her like you like, hit her like you like, hit her like you like, for your girl. You like my pictures, hit her like you like. You like my videos, hit her like you like. You ain't no hater, hit her like you like. You getting paper, hit her like you like. Go like, let's go. Like to the flow. 1 like, 2 like, 3 like, 4. Hit her like you like soon as you see my videos. You know your girl funny, yeah, you know your girl dope. If you really like me, why wouldn't you hit it, yo? L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. Like, let's go. Like, follow. Like, hit her like, hit her like you like. For your girl, go. Slide with a like, rock with a like. To the left, to the right, go. Like. Australia better like. US better like. UK hit her like. I like. Hit her like it like. Hit her like. For your girl, take it back to the like. From the left to the right, go like. Scotland better like. Hit her like. Go left to the right, go like. Africa go like. Worldwide go like. I hope y'all like this sound. Yeah, that's right. Hit her like you like for your girl. Thanks for juking back.